To inspect or replace the drive belt on your RZR Pro XP, follow these steps. Park the vehicle on a flat and level surface. Place the vehicle in park. Loosen the upper and lower PVT hose clamps on the outer PVT cover. Loosen the 14 outer clutch cover fasteners. Carefully maneuver the clutch cover out of the vehicle. Inspect the cover seal and replace if necessary. Take note of the direction of travel on the drive belt. Thread the clutch spreader tool included in the toolkit into the driven clutch to spread the sheaves. Carefully walk the belt off of the clutch. Inspect the belt for any fraying, hourglassing, loose cords, missing cogs, abrasions, burns, or damage, and replace if necessary. Clean out the inside of the clutch cover thoroughly. Warning: failure to remove all debris when replacing the belt could result in vehicle damage, loss of control, and serious injury or death. When reinstalling the belt, ensure the belt is installed in the same direction of travel. If replacing the belt, install it so the part number on the belt is facing outwards. Loop the belt over the drive clutch and begin to walk it over the driven clutch sheave. Spin the driven clutch 5 to 7 times to seat the belt within the driven clutch. Install the outer clutch cover from the rear of the vehicle and pivot it onto the inner clutch cover. Important: ensure the clutch cover seal is fully seated in the clutch cover when installing. Torque the cover fasteners to specification. Reinstall the PVT duct and torque the upper and lower hose clamps to specification. For more information, see your authorized Polaris dealer or visit Polaris.com.